Hi kids! No. Welcome back. It's another fun and exciting episode of our Nchikọta aha Anụmanụ Igbo. Today, we meet a muddy, munchy animal. Can you guess? It oinks, rolls in the dirt, and is called ezi in Igbo. Yes, it's the pig! The Igbo word for pig is ezi. Let's say it slowly together. A-Z. A-Z. Good job. Pigs love to eat all day. Leaves, fruits, and even leftovers. Ezi often rolls in the mud to stay cool. It's like piggy sunscreen. A baby pig is called nwa ezi, piglet. Ezi may be messy, but it's clever and always looking for more food. Sometimes, like ezi, we all want more snacks, but too much of anything isn't good. Can you think of a time you shared your food or helped clean up? That's even better than being clever. Let's practice together. Pig, ezi. Ezi, pig. Fantastic. Did you enjoy meeting ezi? Then hit that like button, tell your friends, and come back for more fun animals in Igbo. Until next time, ezi says bye.